name is Sofia Devine. In this video, we'd like to show you some exercises that help strengthen the muscles in your arms and also of your core. Strength training is very helpful for obviously strengthening your muscles, but it also can help lower your blood sugar just as good as aerobic exercise can. So if it's a really cold day and you don't want to go outside for a walk, or it's a rainy day and you don't want to go outside for a walk, you can do some very simple strength training exercises in your very own home, and you can do it in your own living room or kitchen. So do you need any fancy equipment to do strength training? Well, sometimes you can just use your own body weight, or you can use things such as a band, a resistant band. You can also use a soup can. Go into your pantry. It's amazing what you can find in your pantry as a weight. You could also use a true dumbbell for weight. And you can also use your own water bottle as a weight as well. So first you want to find a chair that fits you. The way you know it fits you is that at your hip, if you sit in the chair, you should feel that your hip should be about, let's say about 90 degrees or 100 degrees. Your feet should be flat on the floor, and you should sit close to the edge of the chair. The other thing that's really important is to make sure your head is over your shoulders is over your hips. What you don't want to be is to try to do strength training in bad posture. If you strength train in bad posture, as you can see, you end up creating stress in not the greatest areas. Here, here, and here. Whereas if you get yourself, you're in good form, good posture, you're going to create some resistance to the right places where your muscles are. You're going to get stronger and you're going to have better posture. So the first exercise to do before doing strength training is to practice first getting into your good ideal posture and form. And the way you do that, again, head over shoulders, shoulders over hips, feet are flat on the ground. What you're going to do is draw in your stomach, lift your chest, relax your shoulders. Hold it for about 5 seconds, and then relax everything. Let's do it again. Tummy in, draw it in, chest up, relax the shoulders, and relax. Do it again. Draw it in, relax the shoulders, and relax. Good. Tummy in, relax the shoulders. And one more time. Draw in, relax the shoulders. This time, make sure you can breathe while you do it. Great. Now we're in like the perfect form for doing some strength training. The first exercise we're going to do is we're going to strengthen our biceps muscle. That muscle is located in the front part of your arm, and it is normal when you do the exercise that you might feel a little burn in that muscle. And so the burn you may find is right here in the front. That is normal. What is not normal is when you feel frank pain, whether it be in the joint or anywhere. If you feel frank pain, it might mean either, number one, you're not in your best posture, then change your posture, try it again. And if it still hurts, then maybe stop doing the exercise. So let's go ahead and do so. Grab hold of the dumbbell. You get into that good posture. Draw in that belly just a little bit. Make sure you're breathing. And you're going to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nice and slow, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now you probably have noticed that I was moving my hand a little. It started down with the dumbbell in this position, then it turned as I went up. So when you do the bicep curl, that's exactly what you can do. Another great exercise you can perform is using the band. What you do is you keep your palms facing upwards, you put the band in your hands, close your hands over the band, and what you do is you pull the bands out to the side and then come back in. Excellent. Now you might feel the burn a little bit throughout your muscles in your arms. That's normal. Again, we don't want frank pain, but a little muscle burn is normal. Let's go ahead and do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. Now you've noticed that I am counting out loud, and the reason why I do that is that it makes sure that I'm breathing out when I do the exertion or when I'm doing the hard part of the exercise. And what that does is that helps keep my blood pressure down. If I try to do the same thing but hold my breath like this, my blood pressure is going to go way up, and we don't want that. So it's important to count while you're doing the exercise. Another exercise we're going to teach you is diagonals. You take the band, one palm facing this direction, the other one pretty much facing each other. Thumbs are kind of facing upwards. And you pull the band at a diagonal. Then you come back in. Great. You're going to feel this, again, same general area. You're going to feel it through your arms. And this targets a number of different muscles. And again, you get to your great posture. And you pull. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. Now we have to do it the other side, or else the other arm will get jealous. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. I'm going to show you one more exercise. The other exercise we're going to do is called the triceps exercise. Now what is a triceps? Well, tri means 3, and there's 3 parts of a muscle. That is the back side of your arm. So, when you do this exercise, you should feel the burn on the back side of your arm. You hold the band in front, pretty much in this direction. This stays put. This is a little bit lower. You want to look straight ahead, because if you look to one side, you end up using one muscle more than the other. So you always want to look straight ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you notice that the elbow's by its side, and the only movement is where the elbow that comes down. Don't want to see this. You want just on your side and then come back down. Now all of these exercises we've done one set of 10 on one side. You want to make sure you do the exercise on both sides. And you can do about 2 to 3 sets of 10 on both sides with a break about 30 seconds to a minute in between. And what this does, it It'll keep your arms nice and strong. Because you're keeping your body in nice, good posture, it actually indirectly keeps your core nice and strong as well. So you get 2 for 1. You get a strong upper body, and it also helps control your blood sugars as well. Have fun exercising.